gosh, I'm standing outside now. We're having big gusty winds here in California. They're supposed to be 40 to 80 miles per hour. Really gusty winds. Here comes another one, another wave. You can see the trees moving. We'll have another one come in just a moment. You'll see a lot of the trees moving. And then trees in the distance. I think this has been happening all night. I'm really having to hold my phone still so it doesn't fall out of my hand. But it's super cold. It's about 60 degrees. It's probably lower than that because I am freezing out here, as you can see. It's really gusty, so I'll stay out here a little bit longer. So you see these trees in the back there? See how they're moving? Those are some pretty steady trees. And you can see way out in the distance there. There's some palm trees. And those palm trees are really moving. Okay, here comes another gust. See the brush? These are the things that's causing the fires. When we have high gusty Santa Ana winds come in and they blow against the power lines, and the power lines fall down and they cause the fires. I heard fire trucks earlier. See out there in the distance right there, you can see the trees moving. I tell you, they said it's between 40 to 80, somewhere along that, but I'm thinking 80. Because all morning it's been moving my blinds in the room. The window is not open. These gusty winds, and there's sun right there out in the distance. They've been coming through all morning. So there you go. This is California. I'm trying to measure the wind speed with an app, but it's not working too well. But I'm going to try again and maybe come back and tell you guys what the wind speed is, what it measured. Okay, here comes another gust. Okay, I don't know if you can hear the fire trucks in the mist. I hope everything goes okay. I've been hearing those this morning as well. Here comes another one. These gusts are frequent. It's beautiful out here. It's just that the winds are so high. Okay, that noise is the wind blowing from inside. is wind blowing from inside. So there are the blinds.